Welcome to Disney Theme Park World. We're here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Hello there, welcome to Rivers of America. No, actually, Rivers of Adventure here at Hong Kong Disneyland.
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise. Please select your language, indicated by a sign above each of the turnstiles.
As you just have heard, this is not Jungle Cruise. It is called Jungle River Cruise here at Hong Kong Disneyland. One of the cool things about Jungle River Cruise is that you get to choose your skipper's language in Mandarin, Cantonese, and English. And this time I go with English. This is one of 4 Jungle Cruises around the world. First one in Anaheim, Disneyland, California. Second in Magic Kingdom, Florida. Third in Tokyo Disneyland. And last but not least, Hong Kong Disneyland. If I have to pick the best Jungle Cruises of all, this is it. The reason why, you're gonna see in just a few moments. Alright explorers, welcome on board the world famous Jungle River Cruise.
Bye-bye. Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Jessie. It's a skipper and tour guide today. This is water ride, so you may get wet. For your own safety, please remain seated through all the journey and please take your children, your electronic devices, and your personal belongings. Especially your mobile phones and cameras. Don't throw into the river. It's so difficult to find it. Have you guys been here before? Not yet? Okay, let me introduce some attraction to you guys. On the left hand side is the yellow ribbon one is the Moana Theatre. If you love the movie Moana, you can go to watch the show. And move a little bit forward, you can see another theatre. It's the show about the Halloween time. And also on the right hand side is the Thailand tree house. It's the home of Thailand. If you want to go there, please don't swim to it because there are many crocodiles in the river. And there is a crocodile just under the tree house. Can you see that? Yes. But it is, I think it is sleeping, so we are staying safe. So for your own safety, please remember don't put your hands, arms, and elbow outside the bowl. It's so dangerous. If you want to go to the tree house, you can take the raft over there. And after this trip, you can go straight and turn right to the dock or the raft and take the raft to the Thailand tree house to visit the Thailand. Okay, we can start our adventure. Are you ready to get wet?
Yeah!
Some yes, some no. Okay, now we can smile and wave goodbye to the people who is waiting for the raft. Okay, on the left hand side, bye bye. Also, please say goodbye to the people who is going on the raft.
Bye!
Our right hand side, bye bye. Now we are traveling on the longest river in the world, which is 4,000 miles, but don't worry, I know a socket, so we can get to there faster. Overhead is the mother elephant and her little baby. She is teaching her baby how to use a charm. So cute, right? But be careful, they're learning how to spray water. Hello. On the right hand side is the brother elephant. He's taking a shower. I think he has been under the water too long. Look at all those wrinkles. Ooh. Enjoy. Who is it? This father elephant. He's going. Be careful. Okay, let's go. He's coming over again. So watch out. It's fine. So the father elephant forced us into this old temple area. Look at the left hand side. There are 3 giant spiders. They can jump over 20 feet. So don't put your hands outside. It's so dangerous. And on the right hand side there is a spider as well. Overhead is the Aragon, which is protected by the king cobras. They are poisonous snake. On the left hand side is the largest one. So put your hands outside. I said it before, there are many crocodiles in the river. both hand sides there are many crocodiles. We call them crocodiles, they call us lunch. So please remain seated. Look at their mouth, I think they're hungry now. They're searching for the alternative. On the left hand side, there is a crocodile in the river. Oh, I think they're sleeping. I bet they'll go faster. Now we are going to visit Professor Potter. How come they changed it to be the gorillas? They're so naughty, they're okay to dance. Oh, watch out! Oh, they're so naughty. Other hands that fall with all kinds of animals, zebras, giraffes, and number 3 most female animals in the jungle, which is African elephant. Look at his teeth, they are stronger than those we saw before. That's number 1, let's go. Now we are entering the hippo's food. They have 6,000 pounds. They can test us easily with their big teeth. What is the mouth? Look at the next. So friendly. You're also brave that some people just jump into the river and stay here forever. We can't save them. Sorry. Bye-bye. Many schools here. I think we are entering the village of headhunters. So keep quiet. Please rotate your heads. Over there. Put it back to home as souvenirs. Okay, everybody alright? Your hands are still here, right? Yes? Okay, now we can go back to the dog. Please remain seated and please take care of your children and keep all your electronic devices and your personal belongings. Ooh! By the water, go and fire, go. Oh, the fire is angry now. We can't go forward. Let's try. Oh, we can't go backward. Also, the fire is angry. Please stop the anger. Okay, this is the little elephant we saw before. It's waiting for us. Let's say goodbye to him. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, before we go back to the dog, please remain seated and keep all your hands and elbows inside the bowl. All your hands and elbows. All your hands and elbows. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for joining Jungle River Cruise. My name is Jessie. Hope you enjoy the trip. Just give me some seconds to stop my boat. After my boat is completely stopped, you can use the middle exit and the exit at the back. And also, please remember, don't cross the window. You'll become the gorillas and stay here forever. Okay, just give me some seconds. 3, 2, and finally, whoa, my boat is completely stopped. It's time to say goodbye.
Until next magical adventure, have a zippity-doo-dah day. Please make sure to subscribe and see you real soon.